Hello there. So today we will see the 14th week assignment of class 6 subject agriculture. Question: the population of Bangladesh is growing rapidly. New technologies are being invented to meet the food needs of additional people. In the Agriculture Council in Badarpur village, agriculturist Dr. Hassan expressed his views on various agriculture technologies on crop production, livestock rearing, fish farming, and afforestation. Do you think agricultural development in Bangladesh is possible using agricultural technologies? Present your opinion by answering the questions below. What is the agricultural technology? What are Number 2, what are the subjects of agricultural technology? Number 3, make a list of subject wise agricultural technologies. Number 4, how do you cultivate a crop without ploughing the land? Number 5, how can a farmer preserve eggs in a rural environment without electricity? Number 6, what technology will you use to fish culture in the Howard area during the flood season and why? Number 7, if you want to set up a cattle farm, how will you make up the lack of green grass for the animals in the winter? Answer to the question number 1, population of Bangladesh is increasing more rapidly. Additional food is required for additional population. Again, other agricultural products are required more. Man is always thinking to fulfill this additional demand. As a result, man is inventing newer techniques or technologies for cultivation by using knowledge in every age. Knowledge and techniques gained from research to resolve agricultural problems are called agricultural technologies. The main characteristics of agricultural technologies are given below. Newness or novelty will be within these. Make agricultural activities easy. There will be certainly of more production, less cost but more profit, less time will be required. Answer to the question number 2. Agricultural technology is the knowledge gained through research to solve agricultural problems. Agriculture is no longer just a matter of crop production, not just raising animals and birds. Agriculture has developed in a few production areas. Similarly, technology has developed in every field of production. Agriculture and crop production, animal husbandry, fisheries, forestry. So, agricultural technology refers to the technology associated with these issues. Answer to the question number 3. The following is a list based on agricultural technology, crop production, high yielding various varieties of different crops, salt tolerant varieties, dung manure, bacterial fertilizer, chemical fertilizer, fertilizer application rate and pesticide use level, green manure, power trailer, deep tube well, etc. Rearing of domestic animals, improved breed cattle, improved breed poultry, cow fattening, raw grass conservation, together poultry fish paddy cultivation, balanced feed of cattle, improved method of breeding animals, disease control, etc. Fish culture. Fish culture is in pen, different technology of catching fish using wicca, net, hook, treatment of pond water and fish processing, etc. Afforestation, social forestry, agroforestry, tree and field crop cultivation method, forest food plant cultivation methods, tree cow feed cultivation methods, saplings, production methods, etc. Answer to the question number 4. Many times these grain crops such as maize can be cultivated without cultivating the land. When the rainwater falls from the soil becomes muddy. If maize seeds are planted in the land without cultivating the land at that time, good yield is obtained. This reduces both cost and labor. Answer to the question number 5. Using modern agricultural technology, farmers can save poultry eggs. However, it requires electricity supply. Again, eggs can be stored in a special way. Here is a description of this method. Generally, eggs do not remain for more than 5 to 10 days. By making a holes in the floor of a house, eggs may be kept by placing a pot in the hole. Charcoal is kept around the earthen pot in the hole, and eggs are kept cold by putting water, and eggs remain good for 20 to 25 days. Answer to the question number 6. Fish culture in Spain is an approved technology of fish specialist or expertise. It is a kind of agricultural technology. In this method, the cage is made in less current or low current water. Fish feed is provided at the top of the pen. This pen is surrounded by a net so that the fish cannot go out of the pen. During the flood season, the water in the ponds in the Howard area goes away, and the fish farmed with this water also goes away. As a result, the farmers are affected. So during the flood season, I will cultivate fish in pen in the Howard area. Answer to the question number 7. In winter, there is a lack of grass in many places. Then it becomes difficult to give quality food to the animals. So it is possible to overcome this problem by conserving raw grass during the rainy season. The method of preserving raw grass is called silage. This does not change the nutritional value of the grass. The place where it does not change nutritional value of the grass, the place where it is kept is called silo pit. This is where airtight condition is created. In this condition, lactic acid is made, which preserve raw grass. So, if I want to farm cattle, I will apply the above method to solve of animal feed in winter. Preserved green grass or silage should be given to cows to eat during the shortest period from October to November. Cattle like much to eat green grass preserved by this method because of good taste and flavor. Thank you.